Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about getting a relief from cervical pain. A lot of us use our phones and our tablets and other devices like this, and we look down into our phone, which gives us a lot of overstretch in the neck muscles, resulting into shoulder pain, neck pain, and cervical region pain. In order to counter that and mitigate all this pain, we will be doing some simple stretches, simple movements that will give you an instant relief. आपको बहुत आसानी से ये simple stretches करके फौरन आराम मिलेगा. So do this video with me. आप मेरे साथ इसे practice कीजिए और इसका magic देखिए. Let's begin. So we will sit in a comfortable position. आप चेयर पे भी बैठ सकते हैं या एक ब्लॉक या कोई भी पिलो कुशन लेकर थोड़ा हाइटेड प्लेटफॉर्म पे बैठ सकते हैं where your hips are higher than your knees, keeping the spine straight. We'll rest the hands on the knees, just relaxing the body. The first thing that we will do is just move the neck. We'll look right and left 5 times each, keeping the breath relaxed. Let's go. Looking to the right and left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. One last time, right and left. Bringing the head in center. Now we will bring the head up and parallel to the ground. So don't bring the chin close to the chest because it's again going to aggravate your cervical. So we want to raise the head up and then look in front 5 times. With me, let's go. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale. Spine straight. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look forward. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward. Relax. Now we will tilt the head to the side. Now imagine you want to bring the right ear close to the right shoulder. So you drop the head down to the side. Feel the stretch on the left side. Just take few deep breaths here. सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Breathe in. Breathe out. एक और बार. Slowly come back to center. Tilt the head to the left side. Now you're bringing the left ear to the left shoulder. You're trying to reduce the gap. Feel that stretch on the right side. Normal breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly come back to center. Now we will lift the shoulders up and squeeze the back of the neck. We want to squeeze this area by lifting the shoulders up. So just raise the shoulders and try to bring the shoulders closer to the ears. So the gap between ears and shoulders should reduce. Like this, and we will hold this posture. Naturally, the chin will go up. So you look up towards the ceiling and relax the arms. Let's do it together. Look up, squeeze the back of the neck. Arms are relaxed, shoulders lifting up. Look to the ceiling. ऊपर देखते रहेंगे. Breathe in. Breathe out. And release. Lovely. We will do this few more times. This time we will just raise the shoulders and bring them down. Dynamic करेंगे. Movement करते रहेंगे. Let's go. Inhale, raise the shoulders. Look up. Exhale, release the shoulders. Look forward. Inhale, raise the shoulders. Look up. Exhale, look forward. Release the shoulders. Inhale, raise the shoulders. Exhale, forward. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now we will bring fingertips on the shoulders and make big circles with the elbows. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. With me, let's go. Join the elbows. Inhale up. Push the elbows back. Push them down. 1. Inhale up. Push them back. Down. 2. 3. Big circle. Join the elbows. Lift them up. Push them back. Down. 4. Big circle. And reverse the direction. दूसरी direction में inhale up. Join the elbows. Keep them joined. Exhale. Very nice. With a smile. Release. Lovely. Spine straight. Lift the elbows. Join. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Now we will open the hands like this and we'll push the elbows back and bringing the shoulder blades together, closer to each other. So if I was to show you from the back, you will see my shoulder blades are squeezing as I'm doing this. So I'm pushing the elbows back, arching the back. So we will do this 5 times. Open the chest and expand as much as you can. Let's go. Keeping the elbows at 90 degrees. Push the arms back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Feel that arch in the back and center. Back and center. Third one. Inhale, extend the chest. Relax. Exhale. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, center. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Now we will work to strengthen the neck. हम neck muscles को strong करने के लिए कुछ exercise करेंगे. इस वाली exercises में neck की कोई movement नहीं है. There is no movement happening, but there is a counter. So I'm going to use my hand to put pressure on the head, and with the head I'm going to counter that pressure. तो हाथ सिर को धकेल रहा है और सिर हाथ को धकेल रहा है. क्योंकि मैं equal और opposite pressure लगा रही हूँ, तो neck में कोई movement नहीं हो रहा. So there's no movement in the head, in the neck, because I'm putting equal and opposite pressure. So we'll start with the right side. Place your right palm on the right side of the face. And now put weight or put pressure into your palm with the help of the head. Like your head is pushing into the palm and the palm is pushing into the head. Really try to counter this. जोर लगाना है दोनों तरफ से, हाथ से भी और सिर से भी. Feel that vibrations. I'm keeping the head just above the ear, close to the face, the side, and keep pushing. And release. Same thing with the left hand, left palm on the left side of the face, above the ear, close to the head. Push the head into the palm. Push the palm into the head. Counter the pressure. No movement in the neck. और जोर लगाइए. And release. Same thing we will do forward and back, which means this time I'm gonna take the head back, but counter it with the help of hands. So interlock the fingers, place it behind your head. If I take my head back and don't counter, the head will go back. If I place too much pressure with the hands, the head will go forward. But we want to keep it in center. बीच में रखते हुए सिर को पीछे की ओर धकेलेंगे और हाथों से सिर को आगे की ओर. So put pressure, जोर लगाएंगे यहाँ पर. You could see if I'm putting pressure, the elbows are going forward, but the head is not moving. So put pressure. Hand is trying to take the head forward, but head is so strong, it's countering it. You're pushing the head back. Experience this. And release. Same thing in the front. Now we place the hands on the forehead. I'm trying to push my hand into the forehead and forehead is countering. So again, there's no movement. Push the head forward, forehead going in the front. But because I'm putting equal and opposite pressure from the hands, the movement is zero. You still feel a lot of work in the neck muscles. Breathe there. And relax. Beautiful. Now we will use a block. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use any other prop which looks like this. It has a little height or width. You can use a square box also, lunch box also, strong one. Okay, so we will place this on the mat and we will lie down. Watch first. We will lie down completely with the chest, hips resting on the mat, chest resting on the mat, and we will just place our chin as forward as possible on the block. So the chin is going forward, away from me. And I'm resting this, relaxing the shoulders. You will see the back of the neck is getting crunched. It's getting contracted. That's what we want to release the cervical pain. Legs are relaxed. Every other body part is relaxed. It's just for the neck. So you push the chin forward. Chin is going ahead of you. And you're releasing the rest of the body. Experience this whole stretch. In the front of the neck, experience the contraction in the back of the neck. And take few deep breaths. Gehra lamba सांस. Release the shoulders down. Relax the shoulders completely. Just breathe in and breathe out. If I was to show you from the front, if you want a better understanding, just for the convenience, just watch once. I am resting my body on the ground, taking the chin forward and resting it on the block. Relaxing the shoulders. The shoulders are not lifted, they are relaxed. Hands could be in the front, hands could be the back also. I would suggest keep them in the front, but see what's comfortable. Just breathe in, breathe out. I'm going to this side again to show you one more variation of this. This time we will keep the block in a heighted way, which means the maximum length of the block will be utilized. Again, same thing, we push the chest and chin forward both and rest the chin on the block. Relax the shoulders, release the hands to the side. Just experience the contraction in the back of the neck. You will also feel little contraction in the spine, upper back, which is great for your cervical. Just breathe into it. सिर्फ सांस भरनी और छोड़नी है. And slowly, whenever you feel relaxed, you can come out of the posture, relax the body, sit in any comfortable position, and observe how you feel in your spine again, especially in the cervical region. See how your neck feels now. Are you feeling more relaxed, more opened? Wow, the feeling is amazing because all the tension, the tightness has gone. So just observe for a few breaths. Express gratitude for this opportunity to practice few simple movements for your body. Gently bring your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Bow down in gratitude. Bow down in gratitude. Observe your breath and relax. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, your family, your mother, your father, with everybody, because most of us are like just glued to the screen like this and we know this is hurting. So let's spread the smiles, make this place better, happier, healthier. I will see you in the next video. Till then, namaste.